Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to ICP video update today. So ICP is still sideways, still good. No structure being lost at the moment for ICP, but today I want to show you a Bitcoin futures, and here we are. So I'm going to go into the Bitcoin chart pattern here, diving into the daily, and you can see that Bitcoin, unfortunately, when it comes down to the daily time frame, there is this CME gap, which is nearly 40,000 all the way down to 39,000. So we're looking at that gap ready to be filled. So do expect Bitcoin from here to probably push down there, fill the gap, and maybe even actually move up to 34,000 or something like that. That's why I do expect Bitcoin to probably just move all the way to the downside. If I go back to the ICP chart pattern right there, ICP honestly ICP still is good, right? I'm still not negative on ICP. Look at that. We still have maintained the bull cross. And this is so surprising because where ICP is maintained, every other single coin is just on a threat to go down. Now, considering that 80% of the market is losing their structure, I'm not even going to touch what ICP is doing. But this is just a heads up based on what Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is doing. Okay, so if Bitcoin starts to drop, unfortunately ICP may actually drop, and we may even see a lot of stop losses down at $10.3 being taken away. So you have to be a little bit careful here. Another thing is there is a very clear bearish divergence, so I can expect drops to happen on ICP as well. Now this may not be drops where the difference between this drop, if it happens, and the drop that previously happened is that this was a bear market drop, right? It was a downtrend drop. But however, the drop that may happen here is a drop of an uptrend. You go down and maybe just come down and then push back up to $30, right? So it's a very different scenario at the moment, because that was your downtrend, right? And if I show you this downtrend, this was broken, you move sideways like that, and then you broke above and you have a new trend. So basically coming down is healthy, right? If it makes a lot of sense. Look at the bigger picture. Come down, make healthy retracements, push up, come down again, make healthy retracement, push up. Just the very opposite of a downtrend. And that's what I do see at the moment. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.